Let's begin a simple exercise in origami. To start with, you take a sheet of square paper. You're going to fold this. Yes. You see this triangle. Now fold it again to create another triangle. Alright? And then fold it again. Can you see this? You see the triangle? I'm folding it and I'm folding this again and you fold this. Fold that and flatten this. This will give you the face of the dog. Then you take another paper, half its size. Let's say I take this for the body, fold it in half, and you have to draw the eyes, the mouth, and that, and this will be the tail, body, and the tail of the dog. Got it? Now let me see. Let me show you this. I have this. I take the sketch pen, draw the eyes here and the tongue. Simple. Your dog is ready. And then the same thing, I am taking a sheet of paper, half its size. I folded it diagonal to form a triangle. See that? It is kept proper. Keep it flat on your table and press it tight so that you get two pieces. Now I cut it out with the scissors. Now I take this and fold it and fold it back. We have a boat-like structure. There is a boat like this. Now this is a boat. Coming to the next one, you have this fish. Now how do you do a fish? Take the sheet, fold it, fold it again, alright, and fold this, fold this.